How to delete chat history on Viber. Want to clear out old messages and free up space on Viber? Deleting chat history is quick and easy. I will show you how to do it step by step. Let's go. First things first, open your Viber app and go to Chat tab. Tap the conversation you want to delete to open it. Tap the contact or group name at the top of the chat to open chat information. Scroll down and select Clear Chat. Confirm when prompted, and all messages inside the chat will be removed, but the chat itself stays in your chat list. If you want to remove the chat completely from your chat list, go back to the Chats tab, tap and hold the chat, then select Delete Chat. Confirm and the conversation is gone entirely. Keep in mind that clearing or deleting chats doesn't affect your chat backup, so if you restore a backup later, your messages may come back. Plan accordingly if you want them gone for good. And that's it. Now you can easily clear or delete chat history on Viber to keep your app clean and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.